How's it going, people? Welcome back to the channel. And today I got another project for the good old SS Trailblazer. And today I'm gonna attempt to install the front air deflector, or I call it the front lip, or on the front bumper. Now these didn't necessarily come with one, so we're gonna take it from another vehicle and kind of fiddle around with it to make it fit. Now the vehicle that is coming off of is the Chevy Colorado. I think it's the '04 to 2012 Colorado. And those came with, factory with the front lip. But I'm gonna try to take it off. I ordered one off eBay and I'm trying to use that. Now I've seen a lot of other people use it on the forum, the Trailblazer forum, but it's gonna be my attempt to install it. Now this is it's not gonna be the necessary correct way to do it. It's just gonna be my way to do it. Now I've kind of already got started on it. So let's see the process. So this is the front lip. I'll try to give it like a sporty look. I just got it to where I want it to sit. Got it centered, and I just taped it up there so I can have a base to go off on. Now, on the lip, it comes with these little tabs on it that I guess is supposed to sit in like a slot on the bumper, on the Colorado. Now the Trailblazer doesn't have those slots, so what I'm gonna attempt to do is cut out those slots so it can just sit in there and connect like that. I know some people were using like the L brackets and just have one end on the bumper and one end on this side, but it have like an exposed screw coming through on this end. And I didn't want that, so I'm gonna try it this way first. If not, then I'm gonna have to go to do the L bracket route. So let's see. Okay, give you some sort of idea what I got going on so far. Let me see. I should have jacked it up. Okay, these are the slots I was telling you about. So I'm gonna put it in place. Okay. So that's where the slot sits. So I kind of marked it off like a permanent marker right here. And what I'm gonna attempt to do is cut that out. Just cut that out on the bumper, and hopefully it'll just sit in the slot and just hook forward, and that'll hold it in. And it's got like it's got about 8 slots, but I have it sitting up here, and 2 other slots on the end are up against like with a metal part of the bumper. So I don't want to really cut through that to damage it. So I'm gonna have to think of something to get it to hold on this side. But we'll see. Get started on it. I'm gonna try to use, I got a little Dremel. I'm gonna try to use to cut these slots out. And hopefully that'll do. get back at it with the rest of them. Have the middle ones sitting now for when I made the holes. And what I had to do is I left the center ones on, the center tabs, and I cut off it's two on the end that it would probably sit about right here where the chrome piece are. So instead of making a hole in the chrome piece, what I'm gonna do is just get the L brackets and just bolt it down on each end. Okay, these are little L brackets. I found it at Lowe's. I mean, you can use what you want, but these what I found. So if you want to use these specific ones, it's the part number. And I got some. I'm gonna put these on the outside of the lip so it can. So you won't just see what won't look like a screw. It's gonna be like this. I'm gonna drill a hole, and it'll just be like a flat washer almost. So it kind of looked like it came like that stock. I drilled the hole, and this is how the L bracket gonna sit. Gonna sit like that. Drill the hole on the lip and the hole in the bumper. So I mean, once I tighten it up, it's gonna be close to the bumper, but you'll see. All right, so we got this side finished up. Like I said, that's the little flat piece right there. See how it look like it blend in. And this how it should look underneath. Finish the other side and give you a before and after.